What we do here is go back.
Mr. Ribosome, you are charged with 2 accounts of murder. One via infliction of sickle cell anemia, which leads to cancer, and the second via failure of bone marrow cells, which also leads to cancer. How do you plead your case?
Not guilty.
You see, my partner, Benny here, he's got an awful sweet touch when it comes to things like interrogations. But me, pal, I'm a little bit different with things. You see, Ribosome, I'm willing to do what needs to be done to extract the proper information. So, how did you do it?
Alright, fine, I'll tell ya. Alright, listen, man. I grew up near the rough side of the endoplasmic reticulum. And ribosomes like me, we can be easily mutated by genetic diseases. Once those genetic diseases mutate us, we can't properly produce hemoglobin, the protein needed by red blood cells to go through their normal functions and carry oxygen. Once those red blood cells are messed up, that leads to sickle cell anemia, giving them an abnormal shape. Then, eventually down the line, maybe in someone's middle age, it causes cancer, just as I'd planned. It's the same with bone marrow cells. Once they're corrupted by improper proteins made by improper ribosomes, they can't make red blood cells, and sometimes they make improper white blood cells. This lack of blood cells leads to the organs not getting the oxygen they need, causing organ failure and sometimes even more cancer.
You know this means you're gonna have to go back to the slammer, Ribosome.
And that's where you're wrong, Copper. I told you you'd never take me alive.